to my channel. This is Gladys here. I'm gonna take you guys around and show you guys everything about the house for a Christmas tour. Say hi, Naza. Hi. Say hi. So come on in, guys. Hey guys, so I'm gonna take you guys around, but I'm gonna start in the foyer area. And don't worry about my getup. I'm wearing some house shoes and comfortable clothes at home. So I'm gonna take you guys around. This is my baby boy, and I'm gonna show you where I got everything here. Usually I do not show you where I got things from here. And these containers are actually I got them from the Goodwill. And let me grab this baby boy. I got these from the Goodwill, and I have a set of 2. I got this flower from Home Goods. I believe the greenery. I'm not sure exactly what they're called. This art piece I always get questions about. And this I got from American Furniture Warehouse. You can also find them online. I believe they deliver mostly around the United States. And these 2 lamps I got from Home Goods. I love these candle holders. Usually I have candles here all around the year. I got these from, I believe I got them from Ross. And these 2 ornaments, they're really beautiful. If you can come close, honey, so you can show. I got them from the Goodwill as well, but these brands are Marshalls. And here, and guys, let me take you forward here. And this mirror, my husband and I, we saw this mirror at Home Goods, and we were like, oh my God, just grab it. And we grabbed 2 of this mirror. We got this mirror in silver, and the one upstairs we got it's in gold. And this pillow I got from this pillow right here. I got from a yard sale. It's brand new, and I paid like less than $4 for this. And this is from this throw blanket is also from Home Goods, and this is like I believe they're called Adamant. I got this from Goodwill. And let me tell you guys a small story about this. This actually, I entered into Goodwill and I see this brand new with the tag on it. I think that someone got it from Wayfair, and something was not right with it, so they decided to go ahead and put it aside and they gave it away. And then when I entered, I asked the guy who was pricing them, hey, how much are you pricing this for? He's like, he hasn't priced them yet. And I was like, hey, something is broken inside. How much can I have it for? And he goes, take it for $5. And guys, this was brand new, sturdy, and like I say, you do not have to break the bank to be able to shop and make your house feel like a home for you. So guys, I'm going to take you guys to the whole house, and the rest is going to be audio. God bless you guys. Have a good day. Bye-bye. Who's excited for Christmas, guys? I am super excited for Christmas, so I get to deck all things in the house, all Christmassy. At least the living room, that is. So these candle holders, I got them from, one is from Goodwill and one is from, actually, I believe it's called Home Goods. Yeah. And the flower pot I got from Goodwill. Guys, I am a thrift store shopper. I don't like to spend money if I don't have to. So most things here I got from the Goodwill, bro. Everything else is probably brand new. My Christmas tree, you guessed it, is from the Goodwill. Sorry guys for the noise. My baby boy is here with me and my daughter. And all the ornaments I actually got in the box for $20, and it was 50% off, and I got it for $10. This is the hallway to the upstairs living room, guys, and I tried it to make it as Christmassy as I could. Christmas is it's not only about red and green and powerful colors. You can tone it down. I try my best. I have a red blanket there with little white stripes, which reminds me of Christmas, and my chair always been there, and I just added some greenery in these boxes there just to make it a little bit festive, but it's not much Christmassy, guys, but I'm gonna show you more Christmas things. Yeah, guys, and I'm taking you upstairs. Guys, I decided to make my dining room table festive. I do not want to do a tablescape that is extravagant. So this is going to be it, because we are going to remove these and actually put other plates there to eat. And these table coasters, the drink coasters that are there, I have not yet put any glasses on them, which I will do soon. I just wanted to show you guys as they are. I decided to add some extra ornaments that I had left on them, and I think they came out pretty good. It's your house. You do what you like and what makes you at ease and at peace. So this is what I came up with. Just something simple, just to remind me of Christmas upstairs as well.